With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is just around the corner, everything about the device has been leaked. Pretty much all the spec sheet of the phones have already been leaked online. We know the design of the upcoming S24 Ultra through leaked images, and also we know the pricing for the upcoming S24 series in different countries. Now, today we have got another leak, and it's going to be a big one for Samsung user because it is related towards the camera sensor. Well, according to the leak coming from Ice Universe, the upcoming S24 Ultra is set to be coming Samsung's first phone which will allow you to switch between camera lenses while recording 4K 60fps video, including the front camera. Well, this is going to be a big upgrade. Now, we know that since from S21 Ultra, phones has the ability to record 4K recording at 60 frames per second from all the 5 lenses, and these cameras are both the front and the back. But did you know that there is one drawback that they have is that they still can't switch lenses while filming. You will need to stop your current clip and create a new one at a different focal length. That means that video you are recording will not be one continuous video, and that kind of ruin it. iPhone does not have the limitation since from last few generation, even the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max still can switch to the front camera. Not only that, the S24 Ultra will also bringing the ability to zoom seamlessly while recording 4K 60fps video similar to iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a missing feature which is finally about to happen with the S24 Ultra. Recently, it has been revealed that the phone can record 4K videos at 120 frames per second. So yeah, S24 Ultra video cameras are getting a major upgrade, and it's about time. If Samsung can step up its video processing, then we might just have a new video champion on our hands by January 17. And hey, a quick heads up to Samsung is offering a free $50. All you got to do is just show your interest in the S24 phones by dropping your name and email and hit the reserve. No need to pay upfront or commit to buying when they launch on the 17th. So you can use that $50 credit towards your S24 purchase along with additional $970 in saving when you are pre-ordering the phone. Now we have a real-life leak of the original spare part of the S24 series lineup, which includes circuit boards, a flex cable for the Galaxy display, and a ribbon cable for the volume and power button. Well, basically, these are some of the spare parts for the S24 series devices. And these are official renders of the online exclusive color of the S24 Ultra. And these colors of the S24 Ultra that you can only buy through their website. And unlike last year, the colors looks muted. If you're wondering which other colors are coming, well, these are some of the official colors that are coming for the S24 series, both online and offline. Well, the flat screen is finally happening, and also the quad camera setup is coming, and we have a new 50 megapixel sensor on the back of the device with a 5x zoom capability, just like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We are also expected to see a 24 megapixel of a resolution just like the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the S23 Ultra as well. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 specifically for the S24 Ultra is going to be coming globally. And guys, I'm super excited about the S24 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.